here. Okay, what we're going to do is slice up the magic lemon into the water. 1 medium-sized lemon, remove the seeds. Ginger is amazing. I'm using my favorite cucumber. A lot of people don't know how powerful this thing is. So we're going to be using it into it. Okay, as you can see, that is what I'm talking about. So I use up roughly about half of a cucumber into it because of the benefit. Now we are going to use some parsley, because I always talk about how parsley is good for weight loss. We are going to put some apple inside of it. You see that? That's the green apple. Okay, and that looks what? Amazing. People don't know about this kind of recipe. And then we put a few cloves into the water. Okay. Monday morning we will be drinking cloves tea for 7 days. Okay, about all right, so you guys can see, look at that. So this is what we call a proper detoxing and very good for weight loss. Okay. So you guys can see exactly what's going on right there. So I did start off the process with hot water, large cups of hot water. The parsley is the most powerful thing in it, with the ginger and the lime and this and the green apple. So you guys can see why I'm in the kitchen making these kind of healthy tea and healthy recipes. All right, beautiful, very simple, very effective, very good for detoxing the body. The cucumber is amazing. But it's so simple. So you can see, here it is. Very delicious, guys. And it's coming to a boil. So now I can simply turn off my heat. The heat alone going to penetrate through it and get it exactly what you're looking for. Lovely. So the color of the parsley is gone. That's good. You know, the color of the apple is gone. That's good. And the ginger is cooked out inside of it, and the lemon. That is amazing. People don't know about these recipes. People don't understand how powerful this right here. You can cool it down and drink it as a detox tea. It's still gonna be effective. Wow. Let's turn off the cooker. Turn it off, plug it out. Take it from the heat. So you can see for yourself. This is what I'm talking about. Very simple. Remember to get yourself a copy of my book, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo's Secret Recipes to Success. It is available on Amazon, or go to my website, chefricardo.co.uk. People, this is what I'm talking about. Right here. Basic recipe. You guys got these things at home. Sometime when you end up, put them in the bin. But this is what you can do. This can detox you, weight loss, and cleansing the body. Big up yourself, Greg. Thank you so much for the support and the energy you put into my show. Yeah. All right. So guys, this is what I'm talking about. And it doesn't complicate it. Okay? It's simple. You guys can do this at home. All right? Beautiful recipe for you to make. Okay. We're not going to drag out the show. We're going to serve it up. Okay? Craig, I'm still drinking my tea. Look, so this is what I have left at the moment. If you guys didn't see this video, it's on my YouTube channel. It is avocado seed tea, okay? It's good for high blood pressure. It's good for blood sugar. It's good for weight loss. And it's also good for your cholesterol. If you did not see this video, I advise you to go over to my YouTube channel and watch the video. Ah, amazing. Okay, now let's serve up this tea. Okay. And get our cup. All right. Just like that. All right. Now, what you can do, to be honest, get the lemon first out of it. At the bottom. Okay. Like this. Okay. And get a teaspoon of organic honey inside of it. All right. And then pour it out. Give it a mix. Taste it. Wow, amazing. That is lovely. That is nice. Okay, let's fix this first before I go any further, because my kitchen have to be clean as I work. Come back with the tea. Right. Yes, people. Now, the message is you can make this at home, okay? 100%. Look at that. Beautiful cup of tea. Fantastic and an amazing. All right?